Hey guys, thank you so much for coming back. Welcome to Crypto India. I hope you guys are doing good. So, this is a channel that we talk about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, blockchain, ICOs, news and developments and sentiments. So, thank you so much for coming back. A lot has been happening in the cryptocurrency market, and we are going to talk about all of them. Alright, let's get started. The cryptocurrency coinmarketcap.com looks bad right now. I'm sure a lot of people are worried what is happening to the cryptocurrency market cap because uh, almost everything is a minus. I think Bitcoin has dropped even further down to 3,900. So it's below 4,000. I think we checked in the morning, it was at the same price. Not much of a difference. Ethereum at 277, you have cash at 517, you have Litecoin at 62. So almost everything is in minus. So we'll talk about today in this video why everything is in minus, because a lot of people are having question what to do, whether should I sell off everything or should I keep it or should I buy more because the price is good, it has dropped out. So we'll discuss a couple of things now. So let's understand first of all why this price drop. Okay, so there are about two to three reasons that I can think of. The first one is yesterday, I think around 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock in the night when we were sleeping, like Indian time. Of course, in US it's different time then. Charlie Lee, who is also the inventor of Litecoin, tweeted something on Twitter, and the tweet is that it seems okay. What was the tweet? Let me check. Yeah, so the Charlie Lee, he tweets. So I was actually sleeping, and then I got up to see his tweet. I just heard this news that Charlie Lee has tweeted something because the market has started falling. So his tweet was, looks like this time China finally banned Bitcoin exchanges. Yeah, looks like this time China finally banned Bitcoin exchanges. Anonymous source, he doesn't know what the source is, but I trust fully. So he doesn't know what the source is, but he trusts the source that it is true. And then it seems that he has deleted that tweet because I couldn't see that in the morning. So he deleted that tweet, and this caused a major price drop in cryptocurrency market. Now Charlie Lee, obviously a very respected guy, the inventor of Litecoin, once he put something on his tweet, it is understood that it would be something serious. And I don't know why would he do that. Did he really get some news? And if yes, why would he even delete that tweet? So that's all mystery right now. But that was one of the reasons why everybody panicked, and we still have a drop. The second reason that I can see that there are a couple of reasons actually right now for this dip into the current cryptocurrency market, if you're thinking why. The second reason is, spoke to you guys in the morning, in the video in the morning, which is this guy called the JP Morgan CEO. What's his name? Jamie Dimon? What's his name? Jamie Dimon, JP Morgan
You
CEO.
made a comment earlier today.
Okay, that's his video actually.
That Bitcoin was a fraud.
Yeah, he said
Why
that
is Bitcoin a fraud?
Bitcoin is
So
a fraud.
separate blockchain, which
He
is a
just started.
technology, from Bitcoin, the currency.
So I'm
And
just
now there are
playing his
multiple-
video. So this guy went ahead and said that Bitcoin is actually a fraud. Obviously, he has no clue what is Bitcoin, and I'm not even sure whether he has some clue about blockchain, because this guy, the JP Morgan Bank, is one of the member into Enterprise Ethereum Alliance. Now, if they don't understand blockchain, why will they be there in the alliance? So this guy is either trying to mislead everyone, or trying to do something fishy out of it. But because for sure I understand that he understands blockchain, he understands Bitcoin, and he makes a statement that Bitcoin is a fraud. I don't get that. And he is the one, his company JP Morgan is a part of Ethereum Alliance Enterprise. There's something to think about here. I don't know why would he do that, or either he doesn't understand Bitcoin is, or either he is in panic because the Bitcoin is going to replace all the banks in the world anyway. Who knows what is going on in his mind. So this is the second reason. I think after this, what happened, there are two things happened. The Bitcoin prices dropped, even the JP Morgan shares prices has dropped. So there is something fishy going on here. The third news is that in UK, the authority there, which is called as what's the name of the authority? It's called the FCA, which is Financial Conduct Authority in UK. They have said that the ICOs are a threat to investors, and which is actually are. I would agree with that statement that ICOs are threat to investors. I mean, there are ICO which are money grabbing, which I have spoken to you guys earlier in my videos also. So in simple terms, the ICOs are very high risky, speculative investment. Said the FCA, you should be conscious of the risk involved and prepared to lose your entire stake. Which I would agree completely, that the ICOs are, couple of them are dangerous, are risky. Of course, this came after the Paris Hilton's tweet, in which they said that Paris Hilton is going to be participating in an ICO called Litecoin.com, Litecoin, which is a blockchain venture. And yeah, so the couple of things, they have warned the audience. They have not taken any decision as yet, like China did by banning ICOs. They have not done anything like that, but they have just circulated a note saying that the ICOs are risky. So I think these are a couple of reasons. Of course, the China's news of banning cryptocurrency exchanges, which is not true yet, which is still functional. So nobody knows whether this is a true news or this is actually a rumor. So these are a couple of factors which has impacted the Bitcoin price. So here is what my opinion is. Here is what my thought. Here is what I think. Again, this is not an investment advice, but this is what I think. You know, I wouldn't call it a crash at all. Bitcoin is not a crash at all. I mean, unless and until it goes about 50% or 60% or 70% down, it's not a crash. We have seen Bitcoin going all the way from $1,100 to $200, $250. That is called a crash. This is not a crash. A 10% dip, a 20% dip is not a crash. It's just the market. These are just the news, and which will come up directly. You know, there is something that I read which is very, very interesting, and which I really liked, which I want to share with you guys. It's like a self story of Bitcoin. So in this image, it's written that if you as an investor, you as an enthusiast, you as in somebody who believes in cryptocurrency and blockchain, if you cannot take a price drop of 20% or 10%, 15%, 30%, then you don't deserve my 1000% gain, which is so true. That if you can't take my 20% price drop, then you don't deserve my 1000, 2000% price gain. Look at the price this time. It has gained about 240% right from January, and just about 10% of drop, and people start panicking. I think they should really consider understanding the technology once again, and I think they should really educate themselves on what this technology is, what the future is. of this technology. If somebody says that, should I sell it off? I mean, I do get a lot of questions. The market is down, should I sell it off? Come on. You really need to study. Of course, this is not an investment advice. You got to do what you feel is right. But what I mean to say is, you got to study the technology. You got to understand the future of cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin. That's all I have to say. So yeah. So thank you so much for coming back, and lovely talking to you guys. And do share your thoughts and opinions. Just stay connected, and yeah. And if you're not subscribed, hit on the subscribe button. Share this channel and video with your friends who are involved in the cryptocurrencies and they like to be updated all the time. Thank you so much for watching, guys. It's great to be connected. See you in my next video.